Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Elephant Who Loved Stories. There once was an elephant who loved listening to stories. Every night, he gathered with the forest animals to share tales. He listened carefully, never interrupting. One day, a shy rabbit whispered a story softly. The elephant stayed quiet so the rabbit could finish. The rabbit smiled, proud and happy. The animals clapped their paws and wings with joy. The elephant learned that listening is a gift too. So, just remember, listening to others shows kindness and respect. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow.